you don't know why you want to become a content creator and you start creating content, you're going to burn out very fast because honestly, content creation is not for the weak. So let me ask you, what is your why? Is it just to gain followers or is it something deeper? Maybe you want to build a business that gives you financial freedom, or you want to become a content creator so that you can work from home and have time for your kids, or you want to be able to create the kind of content that helps you promote and grow your business, or you want to become a content creator so that you can share your faith, inspire others, or use your story to help people. It could be anything. There are days when I get so tired and frustrated that I have to ask myself, why am I even doing this? Is it even worth it? Then I remind myself that I'm doing this because I want to create a brand that allows me create impact while also making income and attain financial freedom so that my family and my kids can live an amazing life. I remind myself that I'm doing this because I want to help women and moms just like me to become content creators and actually earn from it. I remind myself that I'm doing this to share my faith because that is what we are called to do as Christians. So on days when I don't feel like showing up, on days when I get so tired, so frustrated, so discouraged, on days when the views are very low and the engagement is zero, I go back to my why and I remind myself. Because when you know and understand your why, giving up no longer becomes an option. So today I want you to do something. Today I want you to take a moment to ask yourself why. Why do you want to do this? Why do you want to become a content creator? Why do you want to become a YouTuber? Why do you want to start your YouTube channel? Then I need you to write it down and say it out loud. You can even place it somewhere so that you can always remind yourself of it and you can always see it. Because when you're clear on why you're doing this, you'll be able to show up differently. Also, understanding, sharing, being vocal and talking about your why will help you connect with people that align with your goals and your vision. Please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to more people. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.